Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're gonna do a review of One Enhypen's album. Before we start, make sure to hit the subscription and like down below, and also click the notification down below so you could be updated to my Boodle series. So, kaja! So let's start with the dusk here. One Enhypen Dusk, Border Day 1. If you want to order, just check the shop from Twitter. They also have Instagram and Facebook. Ilalagay ko na lang din yung link sa description down below para i-click na nyo lang yung link, tapos makikita nyo na yung shop. Ito na! Tanaling!
Awaken, Moon, Rain, ayaw mag-focus, Doubt, Crossroad, and Two Words.
And so let's open the album. So, sino kaya yung member makukuha ko? So, hindi muna natin titignan kung sino. Ayan. So, set aside muna natin. Border Day 1. Just go through all the pages na lang. Nikki.
Tapos umuulan pa si Jake! Oh my God! Ayan si Jake. Si Jay! Oh my God, Jay. Si Jongwon. Ito yung mga message ng each member. Jay, Isun, Jay. We have Jake, Songhyun, Sunu, Jongwon, Mickey. Yan.
Ito yung postcard. So, we have the 7 members. Isung, Jay, Jake, Songhun, Sunu, Jongwon, and we have Nikki. Ito yung CD nila, guys. Ayan. Enhypen. Kunin natin. Ito. Ayan. Enhypen. This is the QR code na isa-scan ko later. Ayan, sa Weavers. So, yan na! Sino kaya? Dung 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 dung. 1, 2, 3. Si Jay! Oh my God, nakuha ko si Jay! Oh, ang ganda, guys. Nakuha ko si Jay. Sunod the member. 1, 2, 3. Si Jake! Annyeong! The Jays. Jay and Jake. Oh my God. Tapos, ito yung hidden message nila. To find a message, you have to open the sticker. So, ayan. Ayan yung message nila. Diba? Babalik lang natin yan. So i-check na natin yung done. Baby, are you done, 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 done? Huwag na tayo mag-ingay kasi natutulog na sila. Dahan-dahan, baka masira ang album. Punitin na natin. So, ayan. Yung front. Tsaka yung back. Let's open. So, let's just scan through all the pages na lang. So, ito yung CD nila. Ayan. CD. 오, 예쁘다. 아, 진짜 예쁘다. Congratulations, boys, for having a platinum. Best rookie talaga. So, you have 7 members. 이수,
제이크, 성훈, 순우, 정훈, and Mickey. Makni.
Proceed tayo sa photo cards. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Jong! 1, 2, 3. Sisu! Ayan. I got Jongwon and his songs. May hidden message din dito. So, let's see. To find a message, you have to get the sticker. Let's open the pre-order benefits. May photo card siya. So, ayan. Ano kaya? Sino kaya? Sino? Sonhu. Sonhu. Songhun. Songhun. Songhun pala. Sorry. Si Songhun yung nakuha ko. Let's open the pre-order benefits.
Ang ganda guys. Okay. O diba? Ang bongga. Ay, madumi. Ayan, ayan. Ganda. So yung isa. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda kay frame. Ang ganda. Yay, thank you. I give myself.
So, may poster pa. Tada! Poster! Poster! Ito yung poster nila. Let's see the poster. Wow! Yung dawn. Tsaka yung dust. Let's see the dust. Ang bango ng poster. Ayan yung dust. Wow! 아, 진짜 예쁘다. 와우. The visual though. So, ayan guys. Yan lang yung mga inclusions lahat-lahat ng laman ng mga albums, photo cards, poster cards, yung CDs nila, and then, yeah, that's it. That's for today. So, I hope you enjoy watching my Boodle series unboxing vid. So, I hope you enjoy, guys. Thank you for watching. Annyeong!